Greetings fellow foodies! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of restaurants to go to while in Florence, Italy. And here is our disclaimer. Our recommendations are based on price, taste, originality, hygiene, restaurant environment, hospitality, food presentation, and family friendly. The videos will have pictures of food and restaurant in hope that you can sense the ambience within and decide which one is the most well suited for you and your loved ones. Some of the pictures presented are solely for reference, and some of the pictures are from the restaurant's profile and specifications. The pictures are presented in an easy layout in hope to give better information for the viewers and future potential visitors. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice of top restaurant to visit in Rome will be Osteria Vecchio Cancello. The price range of Osteria starts from $7 to $31. Osteria serves local cuisine and Tuscanian with options for vegetarian. For entrees, you can try the beef fillet and the eggplant parmigiana. For the main course, you can try the Fiorentina steak, the Florence T-bone, the sliced beef with tartufo and lard. Some pasta choices are the pappardelle al cinghiale, wild boar, or the truffle pasta. You can try the wild boar ragu, also buco, with crostini Giovanni beverage, or Montepulciano wine, with tiramisu dessert. Our number two choice will be Degusteria Italiana Agli Uffizi. Food price starts from $18 to $70, with cuisine focusing on the Mediterranean, Italian, Tuscan, with special option for vegetarian and gluten-free. The restaurant have intimate settings and friendly staff. The restaurant is located strategically in downtown Florence. Food suggestions will be ravioli, the wild game meat menu, truffle with wine pairing, the raw tartare deer meat, pasta in wine, tagliatelle with white truffle, the cured prosciutto wild boar loin with red beet sauce and carciofo. Try the chestnut olive oil for dessert. Our number three choice will be Ristorante Brandolino, with starting price $24 to $60, focusing on Italian, Tuscan, Central Italian cuisine, with vegan-friendly option and gluten-free. You can try bruschetta, salami ham, artisan cheese, rabbit, truffle honey, artichoke with main menu, fillet with cream potato, truffle, bistecca alla fiorentina, with beverage Brunello di Montalciano Poggio, with creme brulee for dessert. Our number four choice will be Cibreo, with price range around $60. The food focuses on Asian fusion with influence from Tuscan, Korean, and Japanese. Our number 5th choice will be Ristorante Oliviero, with starting price from $10 to $36, with cuisine focusing on steak, Mediterranean, and Tuscanian, with vegetarian friendly and gluten-free option. Try the smoked cheese tortellini with a potato cream sauce and a hint of saffron, followed by a fillet of beef with foie gras, with shaved truffle, surrounded by a pork reduction. Try also creamy piatti steak in pecorino cheese sauce and the wild boar pasta. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram JazzyFeast. Until next time, bye!